diplomatic. I'm saying we're lucky to be blessed with good hair. It's in our genes.
Alright, so in case you...
I've been with TRESemmé for almost 2 years now, and it's been a great experience. I was always very, keen on endorsing a brand that I was convinced about, and with TRESemmé I really am convinced because I use their products at home every day on a regular basis. I use TRESemmé products at home on a regular basis because I really believe in them, and they really work for my hair. And especially with this new range of the TRESemmé Hair Spa Rejuvenation, it's done wonders for me. I've been using it ever since I've been introduced to it, and it gives me the ability to have a hair spa at home in the comfort of my own home without having to deal with making an appointment at a salon and then going and spending time there, and it doesn't fit into my schedule always. So this is a great way to just sit at home, relax, and get my hair done and come out with great salon looking hair on a regular basis.
Since Diana, we're talking about hair and we've had a good press conference about it. So according to you, this is one of the best hairs that we've come across, probably from the film industry.
I honestly think, and I was just saying this a little while ago, I think Indians, as Indians, we are blessed with really good, thick, black hair. And I think most actresses have really good hair. I think
that's
so.
Being a bit diplomatic.
I'm not being diplomatic. I'm saying we're lucky to be blessed with good hair. It's in our genes.
Alright, so in case you have to probably go and color your hair sometime, what color would you want to use?
I honestly prefer being as natural as possible, so it would have to be something that would really suit my skin tone and something as close to being natural as possible, but just maybe to give it a little depth. You could go like a shade or two lighter, but that's about it. I wouldn't do anything too drastic.
Alright, you also said that girls are blessed with, Indian girls especially are blessed with big, thick, long hair.
Yeah.
So what about guys? I mean, when it comes to guys, what sort of haircut do you prefer on guys?
I mean, it really depends on the person and the face structure, the jaw structure, everything. Even women. I mean, men and women. It depends on your face, I would imagine. So, if you have a roundish face, you'd probably go for longer hair to cut down on the width, or the other way around. Is my personal opinion.
Who, according to you, which actor probably has one of the most attractive haircuts? Don't
call me diplomatic, but I honestly think that everybody's hair suits them from what I can see.
Alright, so which is the favorite Bollywood hairstyle that you've ever come across?
Oh my god.
Could be something from the 80s that is really different.
I'll get back to you.
So lastly, what would you like to say to your fans about this product?
I think that you guys should really try the new TRESemmé Hair Spa Rejuvenation range because it is really effective, and it's really nourishing. It moisturizes your hair, and you have the ability of doing a scalp massage and a hair spa in the comfort of your own home without having to actually go to a salon. And you get exactly the same, if not better, results.
Also, Diana, what's happening post-cocktail? I mean, we've been wanting to hear from you, especially the fans.
You'll hear from me when not at this event,
but is
somewhere
there
else.
Something on the cards?
I'll let you know somewhere. Not here. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.